How to unfollow people who don't follow you on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can unfollow people who don't follow you on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now unfortunately there is no way for you to find out and give you a list of people that don't follow you. You have to search for them manually. Now there are third-party apps and services that does allow you to do this, but I don't recommend them to you personally because your account could be compromised in that case. So you can go to your following tab and just check anybody who you think doesn't follow you back, and if they actually don't follow you back, then you will not find them over there, right? So right over here, so let me just go ahead and select a certain person. If they don't follow you back, then you'll find that if I just select that, and if they don't follow, you'll say that this person does not follow you. Or if you go to the following tab, then most likely your name doesn't show up at the first, and it means they don't follow you, which means that you can unfollow them as well. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.